Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you're looking to do your register all in one go, as an admin, you can navigate to register, click on register dashboard, and here you will see a list of all the classes that are going to be running today. So if you click on one of the classes, you will end up on the entry mode for that particular register. You can click on any student's entry to change them from being present to late or absent. You can also click on the tick at the top of each column, which will change all of the records at once. As a teacher, the teacher would log into the teacher's portal, and once they've logged into the teacher's portal, they will be able to do the register for that particular day. So this is what they will see when they've logged into their portal. You can click on Open Register on the dashboard, or navigate to Registers, and then click on today's register. Once that's been clicked, everyone is automatically set as present. The only thing the teacher needs to do is click on Submit Register. They can mark a student as absent, add a note, and resubmit the register. Or if a student walks in late, then they could change the record, add the number of minutes they've come late, and then submit the register once again. Every time the register is submitted, it gets updated for the admin, where they can see who is present and who is not.